The moment a relationship becomes boring, everything that was once adoring becomes unknown. When trust falls into the grip of the wrong person, everything becomes weird. It is better to be alone than to be with someone who complains of even your tone. Someone who ignores you isn't worth your time. Someone who despises you isn't worth your dime. Having pride isn't a crime because you are someone's prime. There is someone who values you like gold. There is always someone who will stand by you even if your world's future is foretold. Your peace is dependent on the person whose hand you hold. Love isn't sold. It isn't a myth to be told. A true lover will never let go once you hit the road. Real relationships are never broken. Real love never dim. It is always full to the brim. Will never let go